December 8th, 2025.
Get down on the ground! Down on the ground! Drop the knife! Drop the knife!
South San Francisco officers respond to a suicidal man armed with a knife. Their attempts at de-escalation fail. What happens next is captured entirely on Body 1 camera.
Now an emergency.
I called because my son, he got knife. He did drugs.
The caller also told dispatchers Francisco Manzo had made suicidal statements.
Okay, tell me exactly what happened.
My son has knife. He said he wants to kill him by himself.
He has a knife and he says he wants to kill himself. Is that correct?
Yeah. He told me.
Okay. Are you with him now?
Hear me, he told me. Oh my God.
Where is he? There? Okay. Sorry. My dog.
Hey,
Let's go.
you okay? Do you have anything in your hands?
Hey, bud. Let me see your hands. Yeah, come on over here, okay?
We got one male coming out.
Do me a favor. Stop right there. Stop right there. Turn around. Just turn around. Keep on coming back. No. Turn back around. Turn back around. Come back. No. Turn back around. Turn back around. Turn back around. Get back! Get back! Get back! Get on the ground now! Get on the ground! Ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Drop it! Times your game! Get on the ground now! Get on the ground! Ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Drop it! Times your game! That's fine. Just come over here. Come over here for me. No. Turn back around. Turn back around. Turn back around.
He's got a knife. I don't. Hey,
Drop it!
Don't do it.
Get back! Get down! Get down!
Get on the ground now.
Get down on the ground!
Ground.
Get down on the ground! Down on the ground! Drop the knife! Drop the knife!
The suspect was transported to a local hospital where he was pronounced dead. This officer-involved shooting is currently under investigation. The officers involved have been placed on standard administrative leave pending the outcome.